Hello, and welcome to our video tutorial on how to access underutilized resources on the NDSU campus. To begin, we will open the NDSU homepage. From here, we will start by clicking on the search bar, and we will get into our first topic, which is ACE tutoring. ACE tutoring should pop up as the first choice. Now that we have reached the ACE tutoring webpage, I will highlight the most important features that we believe will help undergraduate students. To begin, we will look at the drop-in tutoring schedule. Drop-in tutoring is free to all NDSU students, and students may come as often as they need. To use drop-in tutoring, you look at the schedules listed here. They correlate a day with a specific time as well as a tutor and a class number. And the class number will be correlated with the class number on your schedule. Another great service ACE Tutoring offers is online tutoring. This can be located right here. Online tutoring is a great resource if you need a quick answer to a question but don't have the time to go to ACE Tutoring. NDSU utilizes Smart Thinking, which is a 24/7 service that covers a variety of subjects from anything from math to business. To utilize Smart Thinking, you click this link, type in your individualized name and password, and it will prompt you to the Smart Thinking website. To begin looking at our second underutilized resource on the NDSU campus, we will begin by going back to the NDSU homepage. From here, we will again click the search bar, but this time we will type in Career Center. It should be the first item that pops up. As you can see, the Career Center offers many services and resources. To highlight a few, the first resource we will touch on is internships. To locate anything regarding internships, you will highlight over the Resource tab and scroll down and click Internships. From here, you can look at internship programs, how to find an internship, how to create a LinkedIn, as well as view employers who are interviewing on campus. You can click the tabs below and find the information you need. The second resource on the Career Center webpage that we will cover is how to access the Career Closet. To begin that, you will go to Career Fair Preparation. You will then scroll down and click View Resources under the Dress to Impress picture. The Career Closet is a great way to dress your best for potential interviews and make a lasting impact on your interviewer. To use this resource, however, you will have to go to the Career Center building, which is located in Ceres Hall and can be found on any campus map. To touch on our third resource, we will again highlight over the Resources tab and scroll down to Resumes. This will then prompt you to many guidelines, tips, and examples on how to build your resume and cover letters. You can click the View Resources below and scroll down to get an example of resumes and so on. To begin on our third topic, we will again go back to the NDSU homepage. Once you have reached the NDSU homepage, we will again click on the search bar and we will type in Health Services. It will be the second option. Once you have reached the Health Services page, you will again notice that there's a lot of stuff here. You're not going to need everything. So to touch on a couple of highlighted points, the first one we will focus on is the Student Health Portal. This is the place you go if you need to schedule appointments, complete pre-visit forms, print statements, and view and print your immunization records. To do this, you will click here, log in with your information, and then you'll be able to go about and choose immunizations, view your history, appointments, health summary, all of that information pertaining to your health records. The second feature that we will then highlight is how to schedule an appointment. So you will click the appointment, then you will scroll down and it will prompt you with instructions on how to do it. But to give you an overview, you will click the clinic, you give them a reason, and then tell them what your health provider is, then submit that. And it will prompt you to create an appointment.